Alright, what's up guys? It's Kevin, and this video gonna be doing an unboxing of the Skil router table. So I already pre-cut it just to make it a little bit easier. First impressions of the box. Looks pretty sleek. The only issue I have is these grab handles. They don't go in. Like they're blocked by the cardboard down in there. So if you try and use the grab handles, at least on this box, it's not gonna happen. Got a nice little grab handle up here. Let me go ahead and lay this down. Lay this down right there. Right here. Okay, well that just broke. The grab handle doesn't really work. And that's the box. Let's get this out of the way. Okay, so got the instructions in this compartment right here. Universal mounting plate. And then the actual, there's one leg right here. So this Skills table, it comes with built-in storage for your router bits. Guessing the shelves and stuff are gonna be inside, but nice little storage right there. Set that on the table. There's Denny. Say hi, Denny. And then your other leg is also should have some storage for your router bits. So if you have a lot of router bits, you should be able to store them pretty easily in the actual legs of this router table. Put the bag in there again. Lift out this cardboard section. Then here's your actual, is the router. Oh, the table's upside down in there. This should be the hardware. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand, so. Okay, so this is your accessories. It'd be like the feather boards and stuff to keep whatever you're doing nice and tight to the table. Get 2 of those. This is gonna be one of the shelves that go in the your legs. This is the adapters for the table. Another shelf for your bits. Nice square angle piece. Put these back in here. This is the actual router portion. Or this is your backboard for the router right here. You have your adjuster for the back and everything. Looks like that came off. Go, and then the actual table itself. So I'm gonna put this together, and then I'll get back to y'all when when it's put together. All right, guys, so I got it put together. Does not come with the actual router. This is just the table. Then you got your on-off switch right there. You got a little storage for your square or angle piece. And the sides, you have storage for your feather boards, and then your bits, and different size rings on both sides. Here you got your bit cover right there. You got adjustable boards to adjust the length depending on how big the board your routing is. And then you also have the levers back here to adjust how far you want it, if you want it level or in line with it, or if you don't, just depends on what you're doing. And then you also have an exhaust port for all the sawdust. And you also have another spot for another accessory, just like this side, if you choose to get one. And then here you have two little outlets to plug your router into, and then the actual quick connect and disconnect plate. But that's gonna do it for this video. If y'all liked it, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, bell notification, and I'll see y'all next video.